This is a review of the iPad 9th generation 64GB space gray iPad that I would highly recommend. You can see the front side is gloss black. It comes with a set of a power C adapter, and it comes with a USB port as well too. You can see this is the box I have for the iPad as well too. It looks really amazing. The box looks perfect and fantastic. I love the quality of this iPad. I'm going to be showing you guys what you guys exactly get out of the package, but pretty much, when you open it up, you pretty much get the iPad itself, then you get the power Z adapter, then a USB port as well too. But still, I'm going to unbox and show you guys like what exactly you get out of the package. So the first thing first, when you open it up, you get your iPad that comes in a plastic pretty much like this one that I'm going to be taking out. It comes in this, and it's wrapped in that. Then pretty much you get, it says designed by Apple in California, so you get your instructions and pretty much your Apple. It comes with a set of Apple stickers as well too, so that's a huge plus right over there. And then that's from there. Then you get underneath here, you get your power C adapter. Then you get your USB port as well too. That's right over here. And that's pretty much it for the package. As far as that goes, pretty much when I turn the iPad on, you can see that it has a beautiful display, and it is a 10.2-inch display, and it looks really fantastic. So this is when I hit the home screen button, it has a passcode. You can set your passcode, and I do have a passcode. It's pretty much a basic password, but just to show you and demonstrate it, you can see that it has a lot of stuff. You can see it has a clock, weather. It has pretty much your stocks, Find My iPhone. That's a very useful feature as well too. It has iMovie. It has pretty much, I have a, just for on the side for a hobby, for fun entertainment. I have hockey games as well too. And you have a calculator as well too. So if you were wanting to look at like prices or something like pretty much numbers, you could do your calculations like that on your, iPad. And then from there, it has like a lot of apps. You could pretty much, check your health as well too. If you want to do that, you could do that as well too. Then after that, you get pretty much music, Safari, Messenger, pretty much everything that a iPad is intended for, it comes with. I would highly recommend this iPad. It's a beautiful space gray finish that I'm going to flip it over and show you guys on the backside. So you can see the beautiful finish on the backside. It's a beautiful space gray finish, and with the 64GB. I absolutely love this iPad. You can see it has a very sleek finish, and I'm going to flip it over and show you a little bit more different apps that it also comes with. So you can see it does come with the calendar as well too, a calendar app. That way that you don't forget any important due dates that you have, and that's a really huge plus right there. Overall, this iPad, it comes with pretty much every single thing that you could think of, like what is intended for a iPad. You could pretty much keep your notes, save information, and pretty much it has a clock, timer, weather, all you could think of. Matter of fact, even Find My iPhone. So that's a huge plus right there. I will definitely recommend this iPad 9th generation. If you're wondering if you should buy the 9th generation iPad in 2024, the answer to that question is definitely a yes. This iPad is still a very modern iPad in 2024. It comes with literally everything that you could think of, and it even works very fast too. The service is very fast too when it comes to the internet. I would definitely recommend this iPad in 2024, and if you're looking for a replacement set iPad or pretty much a newer generation iPad, then this 9th generation iPad is definitely not a bad iPad in 2024, and I would highly recommend it.